Electrify your imagination with our DIY kits. Easy to build, kid-friendly, unlimited fun and handmade in India.
Hi, welcome to Shogini Toys Ultimate Digital Party Kit Project 18. Now in Project 18, what we are going to do is we are going to add a clamp switch to this, or a clamp sensor, which is nothing but a microphone which is already present here. So what it says, complete Project 17, then connect wires E1 to negative and E2 to A26. So E1 to negative, E1 to negative, and then E2 to A26, E2 to A26. Okay, so that is done. Let's switch it on. Let's press the push switch to confirm that the dice is working. Okay, so dice is working. Now let's see if the clamp switch sensor, which is the microphone placed here, which we have connected now, is working. Let's give a loud clap. Excellent. It is working. You can also take a pen and tap the microphone as well. Perfect. So that is adding a clamp switch to the digital dice that we have created. Excellent. Let's switch it off and move on.
Build, learn, and create. Unleash your inner engineer with our DIY electronic kits.